Alright, pretty sure I am live right now. Pretty sure. So just gonna do I wonder if the audio is working actually. The audio, okay, cool. Looks like the audio is working. What is this? What is this mic audio? Okay. Well, hopefully it sounds okay. Anyway, so I had mentioned before on my little recap, I said there was this little gap right here, this lower portion. It looked like it needed to get filled. So I did place a sell down here to the 19,158 range, and looks like we are $500 in profit now. So it's exciting stuff, but if you look over here to the left, going to keep scrolling. We're on the 1 minute. So it's going to take a minute. Let's see here. Wow, okay. I'm just going to change this to a 5 minute because this is taking a little too long. All right, so go over here. There's a bunch of fair value right in here, right in this range. So what I'm looking for is for that bottom portion to get filled, at least. So that's what I'm waiting for. So I did take a sell as soon as the market reopened, just to refill that. And yeah, so far so good. So far it's going good. Now I'm going to check this and make sure we are actually live right now. Gotta make sure. I don't know if we are. Let's see. Really have no idea, actually. All right, cool. Looks like we are live. That's awesome. Well, that makes it easy. All right, I literally finally figured out how to use OBS, and I'm really happy about that. On the other hand, I did pay this guy like from Fiverr to get me all these like cool little overlays and whatever, but hey, still waiting on him to come through with that. So yeah, we're just waiting. And then what we did right now is we did mark the low. What you guys didn't see was I did mark the new day opening gap high. I did mark the low. I did mark the consequent encroachment right there. Yeah. So those of you who are joining in, obviously you can tell the title. I do trade ICT concepts. I did go through, 2022, and I went through all the 2022 mentorship model, and then I also am going through the, the 2016 core content or core concepts. I believe that's what it's called. And I am also going through this 2024 current training as well. Let me get rid of this fib. But anyway, super glad to be here with you guys. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. And I'm finally just kind of getting around to it. I guess kind of things happen when they're meant to happen. Can't really, force anything, but sometimes the stars just align and, things make sense. So I feel like I'm at that point right now. So grateful to be here. And, I hope to, bring valuable trading content. Once again, this is just for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a pro. I'm just a guy who watched another guy learn how to trade on YouTube because I was very interested in what makes the market move, why it does what it does. I remember being younger and looking at the charts, and I was like, man, why is this moving the way it's doing it? And I've always been interested in it. So I'm grateful to be here in front of y'all today, just being able to get the opportunity to, hopefully show you guys some cool stuff in the market. So just waiting for this gap to fill right here. We got one thing he does talk about is time and price. Right now is clearly not the time for price movements to occur. So it's all good, though. I just wanted to hop on live again because I was just excited. I'm going to be honest with you. I was excited to climb into a new live stream. So, and this trade started going my way. So, of course, I wanted to come in and just show y'all how cool this was. But, I mean, the thing is with the time and price, though, is likely we're going to see a lot of, just up and down, sideways movement, consolidation. Price is not going to be consistent. It's not going to really make sense. It's not going to be a super volatile hour. It's going to be slow and weird, and that's not how we want it. We want it fast and quick. So price is not doing that right now. As you can see, we're negative $20. Oh no. No, it's all good. But yeah, so that is it with that. Anyway, so I'm just checking this. Wonder how this audio sounds. Listen to myself. Price is not doing that right now. That's all good. But yeah, so that's cool. Just had to listen to myself, make sure the connection's good. I went out and I got all this nice stuff to hopefully create a good presentation for the stream. So it's good to hear that the mic sounds good. But yeah, so likely just gonna sit here in this choppiness. Yeah, as we can see, there's what is going on with that gap. Did my little line move? What's going on here? We need to adjust that. 620. Oh, okay. No, I'm off of the 1 minute chart. Okay, there we go. Hey, you can clearly see my gap. Okay, so as you can see, there's that. And then I'll make a little ICT joke. Oh, price coincidentally hit the consequent encroachment right here. Yeah, well. And then he makes jokes saying, oh, the price isn't ran off an algorithm. Well, tell me how it did that. And he's right. I mean, he's right. So, buying and selling pressure. I just crack up when he goes through and he says that stuff. I guess a bunch of buyers came in right here, and that's why price did its little thing. Went all the way up here and did its little arrow, and I guess people came back down and started selling right here, and that's why I did that, right? No. So it's cool, honestly, because that was my previous opinion of why the market did what it did, and I was just uninformed, and I listened to the wrong people, wrong mentors, and I thought support and resistance was the way to go, and lo and behold, that served nothing for me. So actually just a lot of blown accounts. And then I was like, man, there's got to be a way, I really want to figure this out. So here we are trading ICT concepts. It's a real thing. Greatest thing about it, it's all free to learn. Just go over to his YouTube channel, and he got a bunch of free educational content out there that is great. One thing that he does say is no indicators and all this other stuff, and I completely agree. I do. I agree with the no indicators. I think it really makes your chart real messy and weird, and you can't really see what's going on. But the issue I have with not having it is because I'm so new to the concepts that it's actually hard for me to see exactly what is being displayed in price. So for me, I like to be able to go, okay, I have two viewers watching. I know one is me and I know one is someone else. I'm starting to get a little nervous now because I know someone else is watching. I have no idea who it is. But anyway, what was I saying? Basically, just indicators has helped me be able to see what's going on in price a little bit more. I guess it just kind of helps me reassure kind of what is going on and why price is doing what it's doing. There are a couple that I use that I think are pretty useful. And yeah, so anyway, so I'm just waiting for price to come down to this zone right here. This has not been filled yet. So to my other viewer that has tuned in, going over here to the 5 minute chart, that's where I was before. Scrolling over to the left just to show you the fair value that still had not gotten filled. As you can see right here, this big candle. I'm going to mark this off with this right here. As you can see, there's that big candle. The center of that is right there. Price has gone past that, would be called the consequent encroachment. It's gone past that, and the bottom of it is right here in this range, the 19,168 range. So just looking for it to fill that gap. What's great about this one indicator that I am using is it lets me know about where the gaps are. And once part of it does get filled, as you can see, there's this lighter blue area. Essentially, that's, surface area that has already been crossed through with price. And the darker shaded area at the bottom is going to be price, or an area where price has not gone through yet. So that's kind of what's good about this indicator. And what I like about this, for instance, is that I don't have to look to the left. I guess it enables me to be lazy. So, but Yeah, that's probably not the best thing. But let's see. We will recenter this. And look at how crazy this looks now. Because we got all these lines. But all these are just the new day opening gaps, new week opening gaps, and all that. And I guess we got to keep 5 weeks worth of data on the chart. So I don't know. I figured it was already pretty busy anyway. So might as well just throw a couple more things on it, Yeah. So anyway, just waiting for this to go through. Yep. I said this earlier in my other live stream that if you're not if you didn't have patience before you started trading, you will have patience by the time you're done, or you'll just not get the patience at all and you'll just quit. So yeah, trading is a patience game. And I've heard before, good things come to those who wait. So you can't just jump in and make a trade, or be impatient. So it also teaches you a lot about yourself in terms of psychology and I guess your overall tolerance for what you thought you had the ability to deal with or handle. So that's always fun too, getting to find out more about yourself every day. And what's great about trading, at least for me, is I've realized I'm able to use it to master myself, a little bit more, at least hopefully. Become a little bit better today than I was yesterday. That's the goal, at least. So it's fun. It's fun. Yep. Alright, so we are just still waiting for this gap to be filled. And I should totally be... should be at the gym right now, but hey, it's all good. Alright, we're still just waiting for price to drop. What's cool is I'm actually able to, obviously see what's going to happen in the market and why. At least sometimes. I'll just say sometimes. Not here to get conceited, but it's cool because I'm actually starting to be able to see what price will do, when it will do it, why it will do it, and so on and so forth. So it's really starting to make a lot more sense. And my goal is to try and be like ICT and be able to call the market and be able to see what it's doing and why it's doing it, when it's going to do it. But right now I'm actually breaking one of my rules right now, which is time and price. And right now is not the time to be trading, even though I'm up 400. Could still go the other way just because price is weird right now. This is technically the Asia market. Well, I guess it'd be Asia. I guess Asia hasn't started yet. But anyway, so yeah. What I would like though is to grow this YouTube channel. And before I started this stream, I was thinking about Grant Cardone, and he always talks about just how you have to be consistent, like always posting. And he said he's just always all up in people's face, sending them emails, all this stuff all the time. because he always wants to be top of mind, right? So I guess it doesn't really matter what you put out as long as you're putting out something, So everybody starts somewhere, And right now I'm literally just starting, so just glad to be here once again. So. All right, so we've got price going down to, where are we at? 19,218. Still anticipating a further drop down to, not like this color. Why is it red? Can I change that? Why is this red? I wonder if there's a way to change that. That's weird. I don't like it. I don't want it to be red. Every time I click on it to try and get the options pulled up, it just goes away. That is fun. Wow. Alright, well, if one of you guys know how to change the color on this little measuring thing, I just don't like red. So, you could let me know in the comments. That would be cool. But anyway, so this range right here, let's see, we're anticipating, let's see, 148 handles. Am I even reading that right? Let's see. So, 17 to, wait. I don't think that's right. Is that 62 bars? 62 handles? I don't know. Anyway, we are anticipating price to, let me get my cool little arrow. Go down here. Boom! Fill that gap. Get a good little gap fill. Let's see, there might be a little cooler little zigzag. Oh yeah, look at this one. Boom. Wait, that's just a trend line. Look at how small that thing is. I don't know if I like that one. I really like this blue. Look at that, it's a pretty blue. I like that color. Yep. I like make it bigger too. It's cool. A lot of waiting if I want to trade right now. A lot of fun waiting. A lot of fun waiting. All right. As you can see, this is why we don't trade at this time. Well, as I believe I can go to what can I do to play music? There's like music I can play that's not whatever, that I won't get copyright infringements on. What do I gotta do here? Dude, let's see. YouTube music library. I don't think that's it. Alright, we're still just hanging. We are waiting. Man, the consolidation is real. Alright, let's ask ChatGPT some stuff now. Make sure I can play this music. Well, let's see here. Looks like we're winning, guys. Cool. Alright, so I just added that, so I think I could I could play music now. Music. I wonder if there's like I'm sure there's an extension to, let's see. wonder what the best, I don't know, the best way to get the audio to the computer. Oh well, let's just go with this. Let's see what this is right here. Sounds pretty crazy. It's better than nothing. Don't really like that. All right. Let's see how long it takes us to get to where we're going. We've been streaming for a minute now. Yeah, we've been in this for 51 minutes. 51 minutes. We're at $400. I mean, that's all right. That's all right. Beats the good old 9 to 5 little rat race, you know. I ain't too worried about it. This is some weird stuff. I wonder how that sounds. Let's see how you guys hear it. Whatever. And have them all talk to each other. So let's see here. That doesn't sound too bad. Okay. I guess I can just do that. Alright, cool. I'm actually happy with that. Alright, so I'm just basically playing royalty-free music. Well, I guess it's because I already had a subscription to this other thing. It's my second YouTube channel attempt. I realized that my first, my first channel that I tried to do it on just didn't make it. It was actually on working out. It was look at this drop. Look at it. Come on, guys. Look at that. Wow. You guys see that? Look, we're up what? $1,000 now? Let's go in the first hour. Man, this is great. All right, we got to turn it up now. We're out here getting hyphy, super hype on a Wednesday at 5:41 p.m. You know, they always say it's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? But hey, it's 5 o'clock somewhere right here to make money. All right, coming at you live. Look at this beautiful action. It's actually unpredictable, I will say right now, because this actually is uncommon to see this type of price action right now. But I will say that we did have in the videos earnings come out, so therefore there is going to be, I knew it was going to be active in the after hours, and I knew it had to fill this gap, so I'm just happy to be here right now. And yeah, so really can't complain. Yeah, we have 12. Oh, beautiful, $1,300. I'm happy with that. Let's go. Look at this gap fill. I mean, come on. Does it get much better than that? I'm trying to be just like ICT with this. Honestly, I really am. Such an inspiration. One day, I hope to be that good. But he is very good at what he does. Crazy EDM music. The song is saying, and I'm already winning. Alright, I'll take it. Oh, I'm winning. Alright. Kind of feeling this. Yeah, as I said, trading is a huge waiting game, as you can tell. Just here waiting. Keeps changing the song every 2 seconds. I don't know what's up with this thing. Rage, money, power. Let's hear that. Alright. I have no idea what this is. Let's hear it. Sounds crazy. Okay, I actually like this. I like this a lot. Okay. Alright, this is actually sick. I would actually listen to this, even if it was not a song that was. Oh man, what am I trying to say? I would listen to this if it was just on Spotify, at the gym or something. Totally. But why did it only play half the song? What's up with that? Let's see here. What do I gotta download this song or something? MP3 or Wave or what? Alright, I downloaded the song. Oh. Okay, that's weird. Just pulled up Apple Music. Interesting. Boom. TV smashed. I was literally looking at the internet. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Alright guys. Just made a total of over 2,000 today. That's awesome. Well actually it would be 3,000. That's not bad. It's not bad. For a Wednesday, 3K on a Wednesday. Come on. Who's complaining? I'm not. Look at that. Look at that beautiful line. Do you have another gap down here though that possibly can go to? Do I want to get risky right now and just enter another short? Screw it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm only gonna risk like a little percentage of my winnings just to see what's gonna happen. Man, I like that song a lot. The other song that was playing. All right, let's just fill all the gaps right now. Let's do it. I'm gonna get to the gym super late. It's all good. I'm not complaining. But listen to this crazy music. Like, what is this? What is this right here? It's called From the Ground Up. Okay. Kind of weird. Let's listen to Tsunami. Tsunami sounds interesting. Alright, sorry. I was going to my downloads. Let's see what my downloads are. Oh. So all the ones I've been playing, I need to download. Crap. Okay. Well. Genre, electronic. I guess it'd be all of these then. Not really sure. Wow, this song sounds crazy. Oh, this is gonna be nuts. I gotta download all the songs I was playing, and that way I can get the little song license, I guess. And I hope I'm downloading all the right songs. Otherwise, oh man, I will. Newbie mistake, but that's pretty lame because I was going through a lot of songs. Pretty lame. I wonder what was that other one. I said I like. Oh yeah, click that, and then I did like. I think it was this song. Oh yeah. That one. It's this other one, From the Ground Up. And I feel like that was the extent of... Oh, Tsunami. I played Tsunami. I was like, oh, let's hear Tsunami. Okay. I think that is it. You guys want to hear Tsunami again? Here we go. Oh, yeah. There we go. Now listening to it on a way better speaker. I like that. I like that. Oh yeah. It's interesting. It's called Vibe With Me. Damn, the bass on this is pretty hype. Got a little Sonos speaker. That thing honestly slaps. Yeah, that hits. This song is so weird. I feel like it'd be something like a Chipotle would be playing while you're eating your food. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's up in there playing the music so loud. It's like everybody's just sitting there just shoving their face. Oh. I don't know if I could listen to this one anymore. Alright, as soon as I said that, then I started to like it. No, I don't like it. There's no way. Well, so I'll tell you what I did wrong right now. So this candle has got a huge fair value in it, and that's a problem. Because I mean, it's gonna retrace, and I'm on the 5-minute chart, which I didn't even realize. I was just, you know, that was a careless move. Dang, this song is actually pretty sick. Kinda. Alright, so see, I can annotate right here. I can be like, what? No, but honestly, normally I would definitely not be doing this right now. Alright, look at that. Huge gap there. See, it already did fill that one. Just clearly what price just did right there. But I am anticipating a further drop. But I mean, we do have this opening range gap right here, so, or new day opening gap. So I mean, it's definitely, I mean, I have a clear target in mind, but whether or not it's going to go back up in between then, I don't know. Let's ask ICT. Let's ask the inner circle trader. Let's ask Michael. I don't know. I mean, I definitely wouldn't buy though. Definitely would not go on a buy. That's for sure. Looking at this on a bigger scale, I mean, look at this. Huge down, just going down. But you can see why. Right here. There's the target. There's the liquidity right here. And then look, he always says that if you got a bunch of new day opening gaps and so on and so forth below you, price is likely going to be a magnet to there. But the part that is, you know, look at all this right here. I'll pull out my little thing. You can see all these? Oh wait, I guess you can't because my screen is partially cut off. But yeah, I mean, I think price wants to make its way down there, but the question is when. But yeah, so the reason I'm here, let's see, NVIDIA earnings came out, and I'm just trying to get out more content. So The camera just did some weird stuff. You guys see that? It just cut me off somehow. For some reason. Weird. Okay. Do 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 do. You guys think this is some trading music or what? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, man. Man. Let's see here. I don't know if I love that song, to be honest. Alright, so just to recap where we're at, we had a huge candle down, took profit on that, got about $1,300 I believe. It is filling in the fair value gap. We can see what the consequent encroachment of that candle is. Put this all the way down to 0. Take the ones off I don't need. We should be good with that. Alright, we can zoom in. So let's see, likely price will hit 19,195. That's my guesstimation. That's my guesstimation estimation. That's why I don't trade this hour, man. This is brutal. This is crazy. Why am I even doing this? Oh, man. I'm doing this for y'all. For all my viewers. We need better music in here. I don't know if this is going to be better or worse. I wonder what this sounds like. I'm going to like mute. Oh, wait. Do that. Turn it up on the iPad. Yeah, I don't know if I like that. I wonder what this sounds like. I'm gonna like mute. Oh, wait. Do that. Turn it up on the iPad. Yeah, that sounds pretty bad. Well. Okay, so we do have this consequent encroachment of this fair value wick. It did just barely tap that. So, boom, it should be 0.5. It did come up into that range. It did go to 0.25. If ICT was doing this, he'd be like, oh, what a coincidence. But anyway, he would joke around. Say there is no algorithm. Something like that, you know. So anyway, we just can blast that out. And then he would go, you want to see how far it can go? And you can turn on these and what have you. But I already feel like I have a pretty good idea where it's going to go. So anyway. But yeah, so the price is likely going to retrace to the 0.5 right here. 0.5, which is going to be 19,195. Yep, so we're going to go in a little bit of drawdown. And if it exceeds that, to be honest, well, the wick can exceed it, but if the body does once it closes, I don't know how I feel about that. So I might just want to get out, take my win, and go to the gym. It's late. It's late right now. Don't need to be trading. But it's all good. I am curious to see what this candle does though. If I'm able to call that out, that'd be cool. Or I might not be able to. Hopefully I am. That'd be cool. I like to get it right if I can. All right, we got price right now just coming up to that consequent encroachment. It looks like it is exceeding it. The question is it going to close? We got 11 seconds left on this candle. 9, 8, 7. Let's see. Could exceed it. If it does, I don't know. We do have this 0 point. Okay, let's see. The body did not close above it. And now we have a fair value on this candle because it had a lot of pressure going up, it looks like, from the algorithm. But let's see here. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, naturally, though, I think before it goes down, there's this gap right here that I believe needs to be filled. So, from there to there, I don't know. We'll see. Well, so I wanted to do that on the 5-minute range, 5-minute candles. I guess I should just let it be in this. I was thinking about going to the 1 minute, but I don't know. I guess I can. It'll be fine. Man, I need to get out of here. You know, it's something that I honestly realized since, or at least for YouTube, is it rewards consistency. 'Cause I mean, I just started uploading today, right? And like, so far for my channel, I've gotten 25 views. It's not bad. I mean, I don't know. Like, maybe that is bad, but I mean, it's 25 people that I'm getting exposure to that didn't even know who I was before. So hey, that's cool. I'll take it. I mean, what will be nice is once I like have a audience or a following, and then I could engage with y'all in the chat and hear me typing all crazy and stuff. So that would be cool, right? I don't know. Get to come and hang out with you guys every morning, every day, trade. You know, hey, it'd be fun. It'd be fun. Yeah. Y'all can tell me if the music sucks. I had to change it or something. I don't know. Because, I mean, honestly, most of that music I was playing was pretty horrible. And then there was another person that came in to watch this live stream, and then they disappeared. But I feel like it had to do with the music, or just I just wasn't that entertaining at that point. Something like that. It's probably just the music. Just kidding. So, let's see. I wish I could be like, well, chat, what do you think the price is going to do right now? Oh, look. There we go. Getting a little drop. See? Let's see how much of my ICT learnings actually did work. But, I will say, I do have a contradicting theory here. It did already fill a gap, which you saw previously before on this video. And there is this opening range gap, or this new day opening gap, I should say. We do have the high, we have the consequent encroachment, and we also have the low that was formed. But once again, looking down here, we do have this gap in between 18,816 all the way down to, where are we at here? I'll just say 18,635. So the question is, will it get there now? Will it get there today? Will it get there overnight? Will it get there tomorrow? That's all the question. But then let's look at the daily. Let's just see what the daily's doing here. So, oh man, I'm just going to have to do this. Hide all. Okay. So what's going on here? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I like this this candle. I wonder if I can. Man, it's hard to say. It's hard to say. I don't know how I feel about there being no candle in this range. But there is that wick right there. I don't know. I don't know. Might be fine. Might be fine. I guess time will tell, right? Obviously. Let's see. I'm going to put those back. See how much drawdown we're in, Get a quick recap on that. But yeah, my analysis is saying it's going to go down there. So let's see even what, on the hourly, that looks like. Okay, the hourly's there. Let's see on the daily. Yeah, that's a big move. That likely is not going to happen tonight, right now. Or, it probably happen tomorrow. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't know about all that. What I'm seeing here, and this is kind of what I'm seeing. Okay, do you see this huge wick? This is big. Oh wait, maybe I should move this over here. Okay, there's a big wick right here. Comes down, price goes back down again. And what I'm seeing here is basically the same thing. It's just inverted, right? So, this huge wick, and then might see a continuation, and then price basically met that would likely be at the consequent encroachment, and then went back down a little bit, and then boom, price basically engulfed all of that. So I'm just trying to see previous patterns, because I don't know. I am curious to see if it gets all the way down there or not. So that'll be interesting. This is literally the worst time to be trading. And I know this right now. I should not be doing this. Well, let's see here. It's going to be slow price action right now. Dude, I should not have gone into this trade right now. Oh, it's going to be stuck sitting here. Man. I need to go. Oh, man. This is horrible. Oh, I just shouldn't have gotten into this. It's just not the right time, and I need to go. So, man. This is tough. Tough sitting here. This is what makes trading not fun, to be honest. Oh, man. What is the way I can, like... Let's see. Well, alright, I'm gonna leave this for a minute. I will be back in a little bit. Check on this trade. Check on to see how everything's going. Let's go.